I just ordered a bunch of stuff for the EG, which, by the way, my freaking hood flew up, as you can see, smashed the windshield, so it sucks. You gotta get that replaced. And I was hoping the hood would be fine, but we had just barely wrapped it, and now it's all just bent to crap. I just probably ordered a budget steering wheel because, yeah, I'd like to get like a real Momo one day, but I wanted to see how good the cheap ones were. I also got this block off in 10, I think, for like $9, so that'd be sick. This was like $50 or $60 on Amazon. But let's take a look. We'll see if it's even usable. I mean, it definitely will be cleaner than the one I have. Here's the one I have. And it's the one that just came with the car when I bought it, and like, it's like kind of like wood grain, missing a bolt. I don't know. Definitely not thick. $60 on Amazon. Okie doke. Mount, horn wires, screws, and here she is. Pretty mint for $60. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's definitely clean. I don't know what this is. I guess it's showing like the leather it's made out of. Because I got like the full grain leather, red stitching. And honestly, it looks like the freaking, what's the Momo one that looks like this? Monaco, or I don't know, some M word. I'll get some close-up shots. Like, pretty freaking decent for $60. I'm not tracking this thing currently, so I don't think I'll have a problem with like it bending, because I'm not like doing some vigorous turning. But I mean, we'll see. But this is way clean, bro. It's all about the aesthetics when you're going budget, you know? So I will get this mounted up to the quick release, and I'll get Luke and we'll take it for a spin and talk about our thoughts on it. It's just like an NRG quick release. Does the job. Personally, I like a nice blacked out interior with, I mean, small accents of color, if any, on a red EG hatch SI that I might one day go black or dark gray or white or whatever. I think red is definitely the accent color I think I should go with, unless I one day try to match the M6, because the M6 has, you know, the gold calipers with the carbon ceramics, and so if I kind of go gold on that as the trim color to match the brakes, then I could do the same thing on the Civic to kind of match. I like matching with when it comes to aesthetics on things. That's just my personal preference. Okay, so I think this is probably coming, like this comes with the quick release, so I don't think it came with a new one. Looks like he didn't even hook up the horn previously. Whoever did the one before. I've never done this before, so we're just gonna copy what they did. It's also funny because it came with Momo instructions. Nice. I don't know, I'm guessing the range just goes. That works. Right? I'm just gonna snap this in. Black screws, like a legit. Honestly, I think this quick release is not really compatible with the whole ground situation for the horn. So like, I don't know, I haven't lived with the horn for a while, and I'll just wait to do the horn later, I guess. I think I might just use my old washer thing for now. I mean, again, this is $60 on Amazon, so it's not like I'm like wasting potential or anything weird like that. So I'm gonna save this for later, save the wires and everything. We're gonna throw this cover over. It's not the prettiest thing, it's a little scratched, but I'm like, again, $60, it'll do the job. Then we're gonna make the logo go down. Also, again, previous owner just, I don't know, they just put it in like diagonal, bro. Maybe that's why they did it a certain way, because when wheels are forward, you're not upside down. Okay, we're gonna strip with the freeze, hold on. So if I want it to be up, you just have to go all the way over. So it has to be opposite. And so this is hooked up. Interesting. Wonder if it could just be like anyway. Let's just see if it does what I want it to do. Very nice. 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 Feels pretty solid. I mean, more solid than I need. Oh, that is so clean, dude. Seriously though, it is so clean. Blacked out like that, like so much better than it was. Gotta send a pic to Luke. And you guys are gonna get a little bonus clip. I mean, it's literally the smallest install, but I've already kind of like done my own version by just putting this thing in there. But I like the black screws. Definitely helps keep a vibe. You can see the before. Before it's just kind of gross looking. The rubber's all, you know, cracking. I mean, this is hopefully not broken now. This is just like $8 on Amazon, so it's nothing special, carbon fiber or nothing, but it will definitely look a little cleaner. Good enough. Let's get the main dirt. I'm not really sure if the black screws are supposed to lay flush, because they don't, and I tried to get them flush and then I started warping the rubber bottom and like kind of warping the stop plastic. So I guess that's as good as it gets for now for $8. Also, like, it doesn't have the exact same rubber fitment as the one before, so like one day when I repaint or wrap or whatever, like I'll have to get underneath this. I do love the steering wheel. And I'll get Luke in here with me and we'll talk about how it feels to drive and whatnot. It's so slick. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. So it has been a couple of weeks since I've installed the, oh, it's locked, the fake Momo wheel. And I think it looks pretty good. Way better than the one I had. Feels good. You can see a little bit of flex. It's not that much. But I will say, guys, for $60, you get a decent look. Like, don't be yanking it from here if you're like going hard, you know, drive it normally from here. It's solid metal. And I have multiple friends with real Momo steering wheels just like this. And like, they're maybe half as flexible, or like, they're still flexible. Maybe this one's a little bit more, but I'm like, this looks exactly the same, nearly, for $60. So I'm just saying, it's a pretty decent buy. If you're planning on going real eventually, and you just need something that looks better for now, like, I'd say go for it.